Hi guys, on behalf of our leaders, Mentor Ana, Engineer Sai, our country manager Bright, ako po si Coach Sal Humawan. Welcome sa ating tutorial link para sa Solong. Guys, consider this your remote control tutor. So guys, please make sure that you go to all the video. Okay, introduction video, step-by-step video, bago po kayo magtanong ng mga detailed question sa inyong mga sponsor. Because I am positive that if you go through all the information here, marami po sa mga tanong ninyo masasagot na. Now, hindi po namin ginawa ito dahil tamad kami sagutin ang mga tanong ninyo. Hindi po. Because we want to prepare ourselves for something big. Alright? So, we want to make sure na ikaw kahit bago ka, meron kang sistema na makakapitan na kahit hindi mo pa alam ang lahat ng mga bagay about this business, knowing that we have a system that will teach you and train your group, magkakaroon ka ng kumpiyansa, a huge confidence that you also will be successful in this business. Again guys, I recommend go through all the videos that we put in here. The reason why all the videos that we put in here are here is for a very good reason. Okay? Alam namin, yan yung mga information na mga tinatanong ng mga tao at mga information na dapat malaman ninyo. Wala po tayong tinatago dito, no? So, it's better to build this business correctly in the beginning versus, no? We spend too much time trying to fix the wrong things that we did. So, again, this is Coach Sal Jumawan. I'm so excited to be working with you and create tutorials along with the other leaders here. So, hindi lang po ako ang makikita ninyo dito sa mga links natin dito sa mga tutorials natin. It will be a combination and collaboration of many other leaders. This is Coach Sal Jumawan. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Bye for now.